system right now. All of this activity is pushing on over, coming in off the center of this storm. You see the big rain falling right now in South Brevard County. Super huge. This is midnight tonight. Between now and midnight, we just keep funneling in the moisture. It's never going to totally stop. There'll be periods when you think it slows down, but the heavy rain will be knocking on the door. During the overnight is when the highest of the winds begin to show up on the coast side. The eye of the storm system makes its landfall that I fear it will make, according to the modeling, sometime between like 7 and 9 o'clock tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. This is what it looks like on top of Brevard County. Keep in mind, the highest wind is just to the north of this storm system and over to this side. So the winds extend out about 50 miles up to about where the banner is right here. Also, hurricane force winds extending out 30 or 40 miles that way and about 30 this way. If this model verifies, and tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., this eye wobbles its way onto the Cape, 30 miles this way puts it well into Orange and Seminole counties with hurricane force winds. Your time to take care of yourself.
Right on at 2 p.m.
Afternoon. By 2 p.m. it's on top of you.
Where are we at?
To the north and back out to the open water by late Friday, which would mean we spend hours upon top of hours under hurricane force winds all across this area. By Saturday, it improves rapidly as the day wears on Saturday. But even early Saturday morning from Flagler County up to St. Augustine, chances are we'll still be dealing with some rough wind, although much of the rain appears to be checked out. Here's the path to projected movement we were talking about, and when I told you at the top of this weather hit that we haven't changed it a whole lot. It hasn't changed. We're in the cone of uncertainty. This thing could come as far inland with the eye as parts of Orange County, but more likely than not, it does hug the coast, make that big turn over the weekend, and come back down toward the islands of the Bahamas as a tropical storm by Tuesday of next week. Real quick radar look at showing you what's going on with the big rain through central Florida and the approach of this storm system to Freeport with all the lightning. It's about ready to make landfall there within the hour. It's only about 10 miles off the coast side right now, moving anywhere between 10 and 15 miles per hour and wobbling around. Heavy rain activity from Fort Lauderdale all the way up to the north along 95 into the areas to the south of us with high wind being brought down to the surface by each and every one of these bands that comes on in, and the heaviest band right now is extending just to the south of Daytona Beach right through Lake County. Okay, guys, I'm going to wrap it up, toss it back to you. We'll be back with a full forecast and give you an idea of what lies ahead for the impacts with meteorologist Candace Campos in a few more minutes.